Alright, this is the weekly check on the Hungry Bin post, 1 week post. Oh, what did I do? Was it a harvest last week, I think? There wasn't much down in the harvest tray, so I just put it straight into my garden. And there weren't any worms in there, so that was a good thing as well. Alright, let's check this up and see how they did on the food last week. Some worms in the avocado skin. Lots of worms up here. See if I have any. See if I can spot any cocoons or babies or anything like that. There are some gnats. There's a bunch of red mites, which is par for the course here. I think I just fed them watermelon last week. Gave them a break. Gave them something easy to eat. A bunch of beetles. Let's see if we can find anything else in here. Normal composting critters. This looks like a piece of apple. Alright, enough dissecting. Let me fluff it up a little bit. They had some turmoil last week from me putting the stick down, trying to reset the Hungry Bin. Still some of this bigger pieces of egg carton. There's worm laying around in it. It's moist. I've dug down maybe a couple of inches. You see, and the further down I go, the more broken down things are. So it's like complete castings, 2 or 3 inches lower. So about 4 to 5 inches lower. Let's see. Normal. Normal, normal. Nothing abnormal here. Worms, some broken down things up at the top, which is normal. And like I said, if I dig down around 5 inches, 4 to 5 inches, then everything's black gold. me dig into the center here, see if there's any abnormal hot spots or anything like that, and there isn't. Boy, this stuff is moist. Nope. Regular. More worms. There's some little ones. They're not, I wouldn't say to call them babies, but they are small. Like maybe a week, or could be it could be a week. I don't know how fast they grow once they've hatched from their cocoons. Okay, let me go ahead and, oh, I forgot to get some eggshell out. Hang on, let me go get it. I'll be right back. Alright, I've already put the eggshell down, putting some food down. This is compliments of Alyssa from the sharewaste.com website, and looks like it's all pumpkin that she'd cut up and a grape or two. So that was nice of her to cut it all up small. Let me see. Should I give them more? This is the first time I've fed them pumpkin. I know they like pumpkin. Let's see, but that's all I should feed them right now. Okay, that's all I'll feed them right now. I have a little bit more left of the pumpkin that I'll give them to another bin. But on top of this, I'll put the usual worm chow. That's enough of that. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look like much, does it? But it is. Alright. And some... Okay. Moist bedding. And make sure all the pumpkins covered up from that. Which it does. Looks good. And some of my coral calcium. And that should be it for this week. Looking good. We'll see how they do next week on the pumpkin, which I'm sure they'll do fantastic with. Cover that up. And that's it. And let's see. I think I had that up here. And this goes on here. And thank you for coming on this journey with me. Let's see. Take this off so you can see the bin. Okay.